Programming your key fob for a 1996-2010 Nissan Quest can save you significant money compared to dealership costs. This DIY method utilizes ignition cycling to synchronize your remote. Ensure you have a compatible replacement fob, typically operating at 314 MHz or 433 MHz. Make sure your fob has a good battery and that no aftermarket alarms are interfering before you start. Insert your key into the ignition. Cycle the key from the off to the on position 10 times rapidly within 10 seconds, ending in the on position. The car should enter programming mode, often indicated by the hazard lights flashing. Press any button on the new key fob. The doors should lock and unlock to confirm the programming. Repeat this for up to 4 fobs. If successful, the new fob will now remotely lock and unlock your doors. This method boasts a high DIY success rate, around 90% according to recent community polls. If the ignition cycling method fails, consider using an OBD2 scanner or smartphone app like Torque Pro or Carista for programming. These tools access the body control module for more direct synchronization. Common issues include dead fob batteries or BCM interference. Try resetting the BCM by disconnecting the car battery for 30 minutes. Keep in mind, Nissan phased out support for pre-2010 models. Consider a smart key retrofit. Trends are leaning towards smartphone controls as a substitute for physical remotes, especially with rechargeable, eco-friendly options becoming popular. Remember to always verify the codes to prevent theft risks, and if the system is damaged, seek professional help. Otherwise, you can save $150 to $300.